So friend, now we are going to discuss what are the difference between class and object. So friends, if you grasp the concept of class and object clearly in your mind, then simply you can answer these questions. The difference between class and object. So friend, again I want to suggest you, please don't sit idle in front of video. Please keep up with pen and paper and note down each and every key points and examples for your future reference. So friend, let's one again memorize about the class. So class is declared only once, such as class student. So class declaration performed only once during a complete life cycle. Again, the second point of class is a logical entity. As we have earlier discussed, class doesn't allocate the memory. It is just assumed as a blueprint or layout. So it is a logical entity. So logically, class what contains? The state and behavior. Next, class doesn't allocate memory when it is created. So class doesn't allocate physical memory. Why? Because the class is only a logical entity. It is a blueprint or layout. That's why it doesn't allocate memory. So it is declared in a virtual space. Next point, class is a blueprint from which objects are created. So we have just discussed in the class. Class is only a structure, blueprint which contain some common state and common behavior that are acquired by the object of that class. Next, these are the objects, student 1, student 2. These are the objects which are created from the class of student, and both the object contain the similar type of properties and behavior, because both the object is created from the class of student or same class. Now next, the object. The first point, object is created many times as per requirement. So you can understand here, any number of object created from any class, while a class declared only once. Object is physical entity. So unlike a class, object is a physical entity, means it allocate the memory because it contain some values and behavior. So now the third point, object allocate memory when it is created. Why allocate memory? Because each and every object contain real world value. In case of first object, whose name is Abhishek, it is a real value. It is a real value. Is 20 year. Again, gender male. Address Delhi. So these value needs to store some memory. That's why we call object allocate memory when it is created. So the object number first allocate the memory space. This is the example 1250. This is the memory allocation. Similarly, object number 2 is created at the memory reference 2010. Next point, class is an instance of object is a instance of a class, because each and every object created from the class. That's why we call the class object is an instance of a class. So object is an instance of a class. Why? Each object is created from the class. So we can also say this is instance of a class. Next point, object is real world entity such as student like Abhishek, pen like Parker, dog like puppies, etc. So it contains the real world existence. So again, friends, the class and object, class is declared only once during their life cycle of a program, while object is created many times as per requirement. So this is the basic difference. Class is a logical entity while object is a physical entity. Means class doesn't allocate any memory space while object allocate a memory space. Class is a blueprint from which objects are created. So basically class provide a blueprint or layout for the objects. An object is an instance of a class. So object is a real entity that is created from that particular class. So I hope the difference is clear to all of you. Friends, thanks for watching video. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to press bell icon to get the latest video notification.